O, ikaw mag-ano. Ganyan mo nandiyan.
Ayan siya sa ako.
Yes. Masa yung ilaw, Dad? Oh, may paano pa sila dito. Wow. May pagkain, may pabigas.
Why are we here? Bakit ba tayo nandito? By ibang mga with the Israelites. You know, God has been so good.
Ikaw saan eh?
Uy, tingnan mo, nakatawel pa tong anak mo.
Wow.
Wala
ka dyan.
Lagay mo na lang doon sa ilalim. Tsura. What are you doing? Where is my butchok? My mama. Ay, tinapay lang sa kakape. Doon kami pupunta.
Diba?
Asan dede niya?
Car. And to continue, ang Korean, nakakainit na rin.
Get that, okay? Oh, ayan, alright.
Mali. Sino?
Ayan, sino?
Sino ang favorite Bible character ni Mr. Tama. Oh, tama sila. Pastor Daniel.
Daniel.
Exactly. Now, just want to share with you.
We also want to appreciate. There's so many. Let's give a round of applause for
Raul.
So thank you, brilliant, pati yung sheet.